Hi guys, Ju Travel here and welcome again to my channel. So right now guys, I'm here in Marina Mall here in Salmiya, Kuwait. So fortunately, I think there's some programs going on right now. So I think there's a different I think this is a car show. So as you can see at my back, there's lots of people around right now. So there are different displays of car. I think this is a vintage car. So it looks like all the car display here right now, it's Volkswagen. So in a few minutes I'm going to roam around, and I'm going to take some videos about with the cars that are surrounded here right now. So in just a few minutes I'm going down now. So there are lots of display of mini cars guys. So I think this is a collection because some of the cars looking like a vintage one. So it's really nice to look at also. It's small car, it's really cute. As you can see on my back, that's the back of this one. So I think the show will be start maybe in a few minutes or an hour because they set up a stage in the other side there. So I will try to look around at this area also. There's still a different display also. So it's really nice. How I wish I could own like this type of car. So it's really cute. But sad to say, I don't know how to drive. So I need to learn in order for me to buy this kind of cars. So right now guys, I'm here in the other side also. There's a collection of vintage cars. As you can see, there are different types of cars right displayed in this area. So on the other side, it's the mini car, and this is the big one. So I think this is vintage because the model, it's really old one. The cars it's really beautiful. See guys, there are different types of or models of these cars. It's really vintage. I don't know, maybe this is a collection item only. I think this time you cannot purchase this type of car. So I think, what year the model this one? So aside from the car show guys, so I think there's a jet ski show also at this area. So I think I will go there just to look around for a little bit. So it's my lucky day today because I don't have any plans to come here, but see what I got. There's plenty of cars surrounding in this area. Vintage car, I think that one is really expensive. Then I will able to see jet ski show. I think, I don't know how they call this one, but I think it's, so it's this time. It's a little hot now, but it's still a windy one. So I'm just here at the Seaside area now. So, but there's a sound, so I might be copyright again. All my videos this time had been copyrighted. It's really difficult to walk in the sun, guys, because I'm wearing shoes, I'm not wearing slippers. See, it's a little windy, so the weather is really nice. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So guys, until next time, bye for now.